Welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson, I'll be sharing with you how to add a domain name to your website. A domain name is your very own .com, .net, .org, or other top-level web address. Normally, domains are registered separately from your site, and then you must go through the tedious process of connecting it. WebStarts solves this problem by automatically connecting your domain to your site. To get started, log into your WebStarts account. Select the site you want to add a domain to. Click the Add Domain button. With the Register a New Domain tab selected, enter the desired domain in the field and click Search. If the domain is available, you'll see a message confirming such. Click Continue and select a subscription. Note: to add a domain to your site, you must be on a paid subscription. Complete checkout and your domain name is added to your site automatically. WebStarts will also allow you to connect a domain you've registered elsewhere. Click the Add Domain button, but this time you'll select the tab labeled I already have a domain name. Enter the domain name into the field and click Continue. Just like when registering a new domain, connecting a domain requires a subscription. Select your plan and complete checkout. You'll then need to log into your original domain registrar and update the DNS to n-as1.webstarts.com and n-as2.webstarts.com. Depending on your registrar, that process can take up to 24 hours, but most of the time it happens much quicker. With your domain name added to your site, you'll be able to share it with the rest of the world. That's it for this lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in lesson 5.